All right, let's do one more example of function composition. Here we are with function composition. Okay. The idea here is to always think about what are you plugging into the other. Okay. This open circle again tells us that we are composing G of H of N. Okay. Now our input variable is N. So we have our normal notation is G of H of N with all the beautiful parentheses. Okay. So again, we ask ourselves, what was the original G of N function? Well, it was it was N plus 4, okay? That was our original function. It was N plus 4, okay? What they want us to find is no longer plugging in. Out with the old, in with the new. I want you to plug in H of N, okay? Don't change the 4. Just go ahead and think about H of N is now being plugged into the function, okay? So notice, this looks like two N's. Notice, what we used to have was N. N used to be our input variable, okay? Now our input is H of N. We're plugging that into the equation now, okay? We have now plugged in H of N, okay? From here, we need to think about what actually is H of N. Okay, what actually is H of N? It is 3n squared minus 3. So let us continue to keep plugging in until we can't anymore. Okay, we know that H of N is, again, that 3n squared plus minus 3. Okay. We plugged in H of N. We plugged in H of N. Now you got to ask yourself, how can I simplify this equation? Well, you can't add letters to numbers. That's not possible in math, right? So we do take these two, they're basic old numbers, which means they are like terms, okay? So we simplify by combining, plural. Oh, where'd I go, y'all? Oh, here we go. By combining like terms, okay? And the only like terms here are -3 and +4. They're both random numbers, right? Normal numbers. So my final answer, I keep my 3n squared. It didn't have a partner to combine with, but -3 plus 4 becomes a +1, okay? Which means that is G of H of N. It is 3n squared plus 1, okay? 3n squared plus 1. Try some composition on your own. We just did, again, I think 23, and this is number 28. Again, function composition, plug one function into another. Start with your original. Okay? Think about what are they asking you to substitute. Substitute in that function. And let me say substitute in new function. Okay? So find your original, substitute in the new function, and the last step is to simplify as much as you can. Okay?